I got a very wonderful thing. The portable hard disk which I filmed somewhere 6th of June, that folder there, when you open the portable folder comes, few of the folders I have captured, the camera is captured. So there is one folder 8th of June when I was stopped the sextortion racket. So I'll start from the beginning. The sextortion racket actually uh, stopped me near the Bandra that they have my nudes and what do you call it, my house surveillance when I left and when I came back. That was the thing. And those surveillances were in the portable hard disk. When I went out, when I came back, then there is a folder named Shanu. My friend calls me, my family calls me Shanu, and my friends call me Yogi, and my real name is Yogendra Nikade. So that folder is also there, Shanu, and affair shooting footages are there. Dawn F folder is the shooting footage which we did in Chembur East, Gandhi Maidan, with my friends. My friend was murdered because of those shooting footages. So the one who wanted that portable hard disk was desperate for that portable hard disk, have killed my friend. Seemed like they tried killing me. And there are my house surveillances over there. Over that affair shooting thing is there. And in that folder, in that portable hard disk, my this thing is also there. What do you call it? Some audios are there. There was a video planted by the sextortion fuck. There was a video planted by some sextortion fuck. So that sextortion guy wanted that portable hard disk desperately. I shouldn't see that nude which he has planted, he or she. The one has that what do you call it, papers, but I know the treatment of animated data, what I use the treatment of those papers. So portable hard disk claimer is the one connected to the prostitution racket, because prostitution racket sex videos were made and were put inside those portable hard disk, in that portable hard disk. And the one who claimed that, the one who put parameter, wanted that portable hard disk desperately. That's the hooker. And I'll tell you how my sister is connected to this. I was living in GRD, not in Victoria, in 2022. My stamped papers on somewhere 11th or 12th, 10th or 11th March 2022, my stamped papers files, scammers over here must have published it. How did they got the access over here in Victoria? Because my sister gave it to them, the access. How to access it to my laptop. You got this? Because my sister living over here, who runs the prostitution racket, who is connected to the prostitutes over here and Chembur prostitutes, and she orders ice cream by the tell of these prostitutes, because a clone is set around here of my mother's clone, which my mother gets a notification of that ice cream order which she shouldn't get, because my sister orders it from Pune. She does it by the tell of scammers which are living here who are having a clone. And they show it, look, fake bank account ordered a ice cream to my mother. The moment I go there, so I caught that thing as well. She updates Aadhaar card numbers by the tell of scammers. She knows very well who has the clone, of my mother. And while I was living in Giardino, those files which were typed in a day and were stamped, how come these people have those files? Because my sister gave how to access into that thing. My sister gave it to them how to enter that LAN server, whatever, how to get my laptop details. And so my sister gave information about my work to these people, then they got access into Lenovo LAN server thing. And Dell, it was done before her birthday on 15th of uh, 2015, 28th April. The group work thing in Dell. And Lenovo, it was 3rd of May 2020. The group work, same again. And LAN server stuff was done. And I asked LLB, is there any way my data is going out? He said, no, there is nothing. And there was a parent controller who was recording me live and putting out from the laptop computer. So my sister gets paid by the scammer who asks her to order ice cream. Then how did those files on 11th of March? People from Victoria got it, while only Giardino people should know. Because my sister told them how to access into it. So folder is there, FAD shooting footages are there, LANs, what do you call it? Not LAN, is in the laptop, LAN evidences. And my folder, the Shanu, my parents called me Shanu. Then Yogi, my friends called me. Then CCTV footages of my house, portable hard disk holds there. So, and there might be more stuff. And a sex video was planted by the one who sent a guy on 8th of June. A complaint is already there near the Bandra. They said that they have a sex video of mine and I should take back the complaint. And that's the person who has grip over that portable hard disk, and he is spreading nudes which was in the portable hard disk, which because he planted it. And that's the same person who put on the parameter.